This is a impromptu video of the just out and about.
And the hanging with the crazy crew.
Yep. My mom had to go to work today, so
someone's got to pay the bills.
She sent me out here to cover the media day of Darkoaster, so I brought Crazy Pop with me.
I'm here.
He's an honorary member of Just Out and About today. So we checked in. We got our little
we got our lanterns.
Media.
We're media.
Yeah. We got a baggie. Got a baggie of goodies. Let's see what's in the goodie bag.
Oh, okay, we'll see. Okay.
Yeah. Let's have a.
And in this bag, we have a fanny pack.
A Darkoaster fanny pack.
Yeah, Darkoaster fanny pack. And
pretty awesome.
Little media kit card here.
Yeah.
And now everything's back out of the bag.
Yeah, back in the bag.
Back in the bag.
We was here this past weekend, and rode it for members night. But we'll actually get to video on the ride this time and show you a little bit about it. And then I think we're gonna have some other special stuff going on. While we do that, y'all make sure to like, follow, hit the bell, subscribe, everything on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of them. TikTok, hey, TikTok.
If you can think about it, they're on it.
Let's do it. There's the cursors and King Ludwig. Ready again. I'm gonna act like we ain't ready yet. Hey, we're here with Kevin, a.k.a. the Park Prez, as we like to call him. Can you just tell us a little bit about Darkoaster and what to expect?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is our 10th coaster, which is a great milestone for the park and really big builds on the storytelling from Darkastle. So, you know, the next chapter of that story, and North America's first all-indoor straddle coaster, multi-launch coaster, 4 awesome launches, some really great elements inside as far as theming and special effects that will be a great surprise for everyone. So truly unique ride and going to be a great addition to the park.
What we got going on here, Ludwig?
Well, we have a new experience for you. Last time I was locked away quite some time ago, and I feel a storm brewing.
Sounds like a good storm. We're going in. Okay. Have a look at the queue for y'all. And we're gonna get GoPro'd up. We're gonna GoPro. What we're gonna do?
We're gonna ride and get our part. We're gonna record our point of view.
Yep.
Our reactions as we're riding.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
As Butch said, we're gonna get our park made on ride point of views of Darkoaster. So y'all get to see our reaction through actual good camera. So you get to see what we think about it. So let's go.
You get to see us in the dark.
Yeah. What happened to us?
What happened is we sat down, buckled in, get ready to do the reverse point of view. They got a light that shines on us. Well, the light went off as soon as we sit down and buckled up.
That's our luck.
Yeah. The curse of Ludwig got us.
We did not escape the storm.
No, I mean, we're sitting down, we're like, the lights off, like, it's fine.
Yeah. We figured out who broke the ride.
It's Vindo's.
It was you.
Wow. So you wanted the bus.
This is strike number 3 for you.
See?
So the lights on the first train,
I'm with him all
then
the way.
the entire area, and then the lights on the second train. I think in baseball that means you're out.
I'm out.
You're out.
She said security was waiting on me at the door.
You're not coming back at 5.
I'm not coming.
Or tomorrow.
Nah.
Or next week.
I'm done.
They're gonna have your picture in the toll booth.
Also giving out snacks after we ride here, and that's really nice of them. I'm gonna take a water. I'm good with water, thank you, and a popcorn. But like I said, we didn't really, when we come this past weekend, we didn't really film much of the queue. But here's some of the theming of the queue. All right, after 5 rides, what did y'all think?
I love it.
Absolutely love it.
That was a fun ride.
Yes,
Love
very
how
fun.
they got 4 launches in there.
Oh yeah, and the small,
ride twice.
and the building's actually not that big, so.
No.
That's what I'm saying. How they fit 4 launches.
Yeah.
I also like how the effects are different on the second time around than they are the first time.
Yeah.
You know, so it's like a different ride. You don't even realize you're going around a second time.
Yeah.
You really don't. I
Nah.
love that.
Yeah.
Yep. All in all, a very great addition to the park.
Oh, yeah,
and
definitely.
can't wait to ride it a bunch more.
Oh, no, it's cool. Yeah, it's a great family ride, good theming. Love riding in the AC, that's cool too.
The AC was really nice.
It's a good way to bring back Curse of Darkastle. I rode that in like 2008. I don't remember it super well, but it's just cool, you know, having them both back. So,
Get into the storyline. Yeah.
Yeah. Ludwig is out doing crazy stuff, and yeah, no, it's
Eating
great.
us.
Yeah, we get eaten by Ludwig at the end of the ride.
Yep.
I think that's Ludwig. I don't know. It seems like some crazy monster, but yeah, you guys will check it out. You guys will like it. Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Of course. Yeah.
That was a word from El Toro Ryan.
Yeah.
Y'all go check him out. He's got a great video.
Oh,
a lot of coaster stuff.
Nerdy stuff.
Yes. And then y'all just go check him out. We got some ghostly figures hanging out here. They're the spirits of the Darkastle.
Well, hello, friends.
We got the king of the Darkastle here.
Hello there. Enjoying yourself?
Yep,
Did you enjoy the grounds earlier?
we did. We're
Good.
back. We come back for more.
More? Well, maybe you'll survive this time.
Thank you.
What kind of beer is it?
It's a German-style Schwarzbier, or better known as a black lager. So the perfect themed beer for this brand new coaster, Dark Coaster.
I'll try one. We have a lavender lemonade here. We got a sparkling raspberry cocktail. We might have to come back and get one of them. Have a pineapple jalapeno shake sangria. That sounds interesting. Sounds a little hot. And then we actually have the Dark Coaster drink, which we actually have one of them in Passenger night. So I think let's try it. I don't know. Let's try this sparkling raspberry. We'll come out and get one. We have a special Dark Coaster cup. This cup is supposed to change colors. We have the Dark Coaster drink that we had on past member night. We have a Virginia beer. It's supposed to be like a dark lager beer. and some sparkling raspberry thing.
Can you take a picture?
So
She's gonna come
let's try it out. They gave us a color changing cup. Looks pretty cool. I'm gonna try the beer first. It's like chocolate.
Really?
Like chocolate coffee, kind of.
Okay.
I'm not a big beer person. I mean, if you really like beer and like a beer enthusiast, you probably really like it. But just not a big beer person for me. All right, we're gonna try the sparkling raspberry drink here. That's pretty good. It's like a raspberry wine dish.
Okay.
And this is the special Darkoaster drink. We actually had one this past weekend. It's a different drink. Like it's got like a little bit of lavender in it for like the color, and it's like a little minty.
Minty.
It's actually a little bit better than what it was.
It's part of that purple cup.
Yeah.
That changes colors.
Yeah. I could actually drink this now. It's pretty good.
You see the logo? Show the logo.
Yeah.
Show the logo.
Come on, you gotta brand this a little bit better.
No, this is actually a pretty decent drink. I think it has Tito vodka and white peach,
And something lavender.
lavender. Yeah. So pretty good drink all in all.
You want to make cue cards next time?
Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate that review.
Absolutely. Happy to help.
Reactions here for Darkoaster.
We're just going piggy out.
I was really impressed with Darkoaster. I really liked it. I thought it was better than I expected it to be. Didn't really know what to expect, but I had kind of lowered my expectations for it, and it turned out great. Really good coaster. We got to ride it twice, and the second time through, really loved it. The full darkness really kind of surprised me. I was a little shocked by that, but yeah, I would say it's a great coaster. If you're here, you got to ride that one. Put it on the calendar. Come to Williamsburg. Come to Busch Gardens and check that one out because it's definitely worth riding.
Yep. Awesome. Appreciate it.
It wasn't as tense as I was expecting it to be, but I also didn't really have any expectations because I didn't see the video on it. But I'd say if you ride it, do it twice. First time, you don't really know what's going on with it, but the second ride, when you can really figure it out, it's a lot of fun the second go around. And those launches in the middle, like just pitch black, they catch you off guard.
They do. I agree with that 100%.
If you want a good family coaster that's intense but not overly intense like Pantheon or Alpengeist, come check out the Darkoaster. It's worth it.
I appreciate it, bud.
Oh, I was taking, well,
Oh,
we
you
take,
like on business?
yeah, video, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a video, yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you want us to say, yeah? Well, as long as you don't mention the secret bar.
The candy shop.
The secret bar.
No,
there's no secret bar. Anything
Why
like
would we
that.
run a secret?
Well, it's just a totally normal candy shop, yeah.
That is in no way a front for any sort of alcohol sales of any kind, yeah? So
Yeah.
we don't need to, you know.
So I'm just going to show you this. You scan this
do
QR
not
code
scan
right
that
here.
card, yeah?
Scan that code.
You
Do
scan the
not-
code, yeah?
We're showing it to you so you know not to scan it.
Yeah, don't be
because-
doing that, yeah.
Nah, of course, it's a totally legitimate candy shop.
But it does take you to the website where you can make your reservations for our special backstage tours, yeah?
Hypothetically, of course, yeah. We're not saying that does anything, yeah.
Yeah. So every Saturday and Sunday we do the special backstage tours at the candy shop where we give you some of our delicious candy, yeah?
Oh, that's very good.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, candy, yeah.
Yeah,
Very
good,
good.
yeah.
Candy.
Just
candy
candy.
for all the ages, yeah.
Yeah, candy for all the ages. So
Woo!
it doesn't have to be like that or anything, yeah? So we hope to see you there, yeah?
Yeah. Bye.
Right?
Yeah.